listens to the all-night radio. Blow, crazy wind. Storm clouds rising up the mountainside. When the pressure drops, nowhere to hide. Blow, crazy wind. And the face of the man at the station is a face that you never see twice, while somebody of another persuasion draws a beat on you between the eyes. And it's 1 in a million he misses while you're placing your bets on the side. Open wide, let the games begin. Blow, crazy wind. My bags are packed, my trunk is gone. Got a funny feeling waiting while I'm waiting on. Blow, crazy wind. There's a man in the snow making signs at the dead. Maybe somebody knows what goes on in his head. Blow, crazy wind. And the woman who waits at the window finds something to make herself laugh. She's stuck in the place that she's in though, like a scene in her own photograph. It don't matter wherever she's been though, they've been giving her time and a half. If you ask, she will tell you, friend. Blow, crazy wind. If you pick up sticks, you can do just fine. If you build the bricks, you can drink the wine. Blow, crazy wind. Since I'll never know, I don't have to ask. Some people done better living in the past. Blow, crazy wind. And she's keeping good time on the counter while they're giving her more of the game. And you try to arrange how you found her while attempting to guess at her name. While everyone dances around her, you will waltz in the ball in the chain.